Painting skin tones is the most frequently asked question among my students. Indeed, mastering the delicate hues of human skin can seem daunting. But no worries, as I can show you how to simplify this process into 3 parts. Number 1, the dark tone. Number 2, the light tone. Number 3, the transitional tone. Once you deconstructed any skin tone into these 3 parts, you realize how easily you can paint skin tones. Take a look at this painting by the American artist John Sloan. The artwork vividly portrays 3 immigrant female factory workers drying their hair in the scorching summer heat of early 1900s New York City. He used a simplified skin tone to capture the radiance of the summer sun upon the central figure. Now squint your eyes and focus on the big values and shapes. You will notice the 3 fundamental shades on her face, neck, and arm. The dark tone shadows, the light tone where the sunlight hits, and there's a transitional tone between the dark and the light tones. On my palette, I created 3 strings of colors to match the 3 parts of the skin tone on her arm. First, I used the titanium white, Naples yellow, yellow ochre, burnt sienna, vermilion red, and cerulean blue to mix the dark tone. Then I blended the light tone using only titanium white and the Naples yellow. Finally, I added just a touch of a vermilion red with a combination of these 2 strings to create the transitional tone. As you can see, mixing skin tone is not as complicated or challenging as it seems. I even painted a portion of the arm to demonstrate how simple my 3-color string method works. I applied the dark tone first, followed by the light tone and the transitional tone. This is what the painting looks like. As your painting skill progresses, you will start to discern more nuanced colors in human skin tones, such as greens, blues, and purples. This will enable you to mix and paint even more intricate shades. However, if you are just beginning to learn how to paint portraits, the 3-color string method is a perfect starting point for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that follow button and see you soon.